Check it out, guys. Just made this curry. It's a hot, spicy, easy to make Bengali style chicken curry. I will be revealing the ingredients and so forth on our channel later. Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone's well. Welcome to this week's video. Check it out. We've got all our ingredients all measured up, all in front of me. And what I'll be doing, I'll be using all of these ingredients to make a hot and spicy chicken with potato aloo curry. This is going to be spicy, it's going to be hot, flavors are going to be intense, guys. So make sure you have this in the morning. It is a hot curry. I'm going to put all the measurements for the ingredients on the description box, guys, so make sure you hit that link below and check out the ingredients as we go. So welcome to this week's video. So let's start off by adding some oil into a pan. So there's going to be about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in here. We're going to start off firstly by adding our whole spices. So I'm using 2 bay leaves here. I've got 1 black cardamom that I slightly opened up. So just slightly crushed it. So there it is, you can see it here. There. I've done the same again with the green cardamons. I've got 1 cinnamon stick. I've got 2 star anise, just small, they are small ones, so that's not too bad. And I've also got some 4 Kashmiri red chillies. So what we're going to do firstly, guys, just infuse the oil with all of these whole spices. I've got it on low heat at the moment. And as soon as it starts sizzling away, we're going to add our garlic. So I've got 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. And because we're cooking this from scratch, we want to get all the flavours in there. So as soon as the garlic starts changing colour, guys, we're going to add in our 2 finely chopped onions. And I'm going to push the heat on medium now. So first what we're going to do, we're going to make our curry base first of all. And this is exactly the process we will take. Now we've got our onion, we're going to add in our 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay guys, now we're going to add in 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add it to your taste, but generally 1.5 teaspoon should be good for the amount of chicken and potatoes we've got in there. Now give it a all really good mix, guys, and we're going to cook until the onions have gone soft. Okay guys, it's been about 6 or 7 minutes I've been cooking the onions, and now the onions have gone nice and soft, as you can see. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to add in our spices. Now all the spice descriptions, they are going to be on the link below, so check the description now to get all the spice measurements. Okay, add 1 tablespoon of mixed curry powder. Then we have our 1 teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of zira, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and also 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli. Finally, guys, add in our chili powder. This is just over 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Again, add to your taste, add more, add less, guys, and mix it all in now. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to cook the spices for about 6 to 7 minutes on medium to low heat, and we will add water as soon as it starts catching onto the pan, the spices. We don't want to burn the spice. This is called more or less brunifying. So what we're doing here is cooking the spices really well. Okay guys, so once it's been about 5 to 6 minutes, well, we've been cooking the spice, you can see the oil has risen to the top. It means our spices have cooked well so far. What we're going to do now is add some tomatoes. So these are chopped tomatoes I'm putting in. So again, we are still making the base. A good 3 tablespoons of chopped tomatoes in there. And again, it's been on about medium heat, so please do not burn the spices. I'm just going to put the lid on, so let that cook for a couple of minutes now. Look at that guys, look at the colour on that. I'll make that close up for you. Doesn't that look amazing? So this is more or less our curry base done for our vindaloo. So what we're going to do now guys is add in our chicken. So you can add lamb, potatoes, whatever you want to, like whichever you want. So I'm adding chicken. And again, if it was pre-cooked, I would probably add it later. But this is going to be 600 grams of chicken thighs. So these are not pre-cooked, so we're going to cook them now. Give it a good mix. Okay, mix the chicken in well and then put the lid on. And I'm going to cook the chicken on medium heat for about 10 minutes and check it occasionally so it's not sticking to the pan. Okay, so after about 5 minutes or so guys of cooking the chicken, we're going to add in our potato. Look at that colour on that guys, looks amazing. Add in the potato, give it a good mix, and then let that cook on again to medium heat for another 5 minutes before we add in our water to make our sauce. So see you in 5. Okay guys, it's been about another 5 minutes while it's been cooking away. Look at that guys, it looks absolutely amazing. Currently I've not added any additional water, so it's just the water that's coming from the chicken. So look at that, delicious. And that smells so good too. What we're going to do now guys, because we're going to do the final process now, we're going to add some hot water to make it more saucy and make sure the potato and sort of cooks, and we don't want the dish to be too dry, so this is hot water going in. So just enough just to cover the chicken and the potatoes. And what I'm going to do now, just going to leave that on medium to low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Right, see you in about 15 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been about 10 minutes or so. This is, ooh, look at that. Really amazing. All we're waiting for now guys is just our potatoes to soften up. Chicken's done, so it's been about, there we go, the potato is all good as well now. So what we're going to do now guys is final stages. Without me dropping it, so about a teaspoon of kasuri methi, give it a nice little crush. And garam masala, let's move it this way so you can see half a teaspoon of garam masala in there. Green chilli. Give it a good mix. And this is what's going to enhance the flavour guys. This is going to be so good, look at it. Probably taken us about less than an hour. What I'm going to do now is put some coriander in there. What I've got in here as well, I've chopped up the coriander stalks as well. And there's going to be so much flavour in there. There we go. There we go. I'm going to leave that to simmer for about 10 minutes and then we are good to plate up and enjoy. Alright guys, so it's been about about 8 minutes or so. Oh wow, look at that guys. It's just been simmering along beautifully. I'm going to take it off heat now. It's already, look at that. There we go guys, all you got to do now guys is just plate up and enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share our channel with others guys, and don't forget you got all the ingredients on the description box, so check the box below. See you in the next video.